The Fellin restaurant is a very nice mix of a cafe and then a beautiful a la carte menu. It's lovely, it's cozy, it maybe takes out the stress when you have had your busy day and you just walk in. It kind of creates this vibe that all the people are welcome. I think we're super lucky that we have this beautiful house in a place located right next to the center and then the old castle ruins.
Fellin has been here since 2012 and it was the first this kind of restaurant in Viljandi. We try to bring people some casual style food. We try to be seasonal as possible to be sustainable. Mostly in the winter I get my vegetables from farmers. They will bring us here. I have a lot of contacts about near farmers. But in the summer here is a local market in Viljandi where I've been almost every day of the week to bring fresh ingredients to here. The food is it's more like Nordic cuisine. We want to make food with good ingredients from our local farmers, so we don't need to put too much other taste into it. I like a lot of cuisines, like French, Italian. We try to mix things up, but with our local products.
We need to be able to offer everyone a chance to come and have a piece of what we offer. Everyone who knows Viljandi already knows Fellin as well. To keep the doors open and the house packed, so we need to have pretty simple but enough complicated menus. We need to have something for the high-end guests and we need to have something for the locals who maybe want to come here every day.
Honestly, I was really surprised when we were in the first Michelin Guide in Estonia. Then a lot of people thought that they can't come here to eat because it's too expensive, and that we start bringing the prices up and start doing some fine dining food, but we're not like that. I think Piep Gourmand is about accessibility. It's not cheap food. It's making high quality food accessible for people who think Michelin restaurants are expensive and formal.